Now that we know what ShareStream is, let's go ahead and learn how to turn every one of the different components on inside of our test course. If you're following along, I've just logged into my CI. On the right-hand side, you should see your list of courses, and you should see your test course. I'll go ahead and click on my course. And when your course page loads, we'll go ahead over to the left-hand side down to the course management section until you find the link for customizations. Under customizations, go ahead and click on the link for tool availability. When the tool availability page loads, go ahead and scroll down in the list until you find the listing for ShareStream. It's going to be down here in the S's. There should be 5 of them. The ShareStream Mashup is the tool that we'll use to add content directly inside of one of the content sections inside of our course. To turn that tool on, come over to the far right-hand column and check the box. Next is the ShareStream Mashup in Text Editor. Anytime you've got access to the text editor, you'll see a drop-down menu that will allow you to access any content that you've uploaded inside of ShareStream. Therefore, this is the ShareStream Mashup inside of the text editor. We'll turn that one on by checking the first column box. Next is the ShareStream Media Assignment. This is the tool that you'll use if you want to create a media-based assignment that you want your students to hand in some piece of media that's going to be graded and added into your gradebook. To turn this tool on, we'll simply come over to the far right-hand column and check the box. Next is the ShareStream Media Manager. Now the Media Manager is a great tool. It's going to be located inside of the Tools section of your course, and it's going to be used for managing the content once it's been loaded inside of your course. We'll go ahead and turn that on by checking the box in the first column. Finally, there's the ShareStream Pick and Play. This is the primary tool you'll use for interacting with all of your media inside of ShareStream, both as an instructor, and you can make this tool available to your students. To turn on Pick and Play, check the box in the first column. Now that you have all 5 tools turned on, go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click the Submit button. Let's check and make sure the tools got turned on properly. We can do this by simply coming over to the left-hand side and clicking on the link for Tools. When the Tools page loads, go ahead and scroll down in your list of tools until you see ShareStream Media Manager and the ShareStream Pick and Play. Let's go ahead and see if the other tools got turned on. We'll do that by scrolling back up in the page and going into a content section. When the content section loads, go ahead and select the drop-down menu for Build Content, and you should see under the Mashups the ShareStream Mashup tool. Let's look and see if the assessment got created. Go to the Assessment column, and at the bottom you should see the ShareStream Media Assignment. Okay, let's check and see if the last tool got turned on. To do that, we'll come back over to Build Content and select Create Item. When the Create Item page loads, go ahead and scroll down a little bit into the text editor area, and then in the third row, click the drop-down menu next to Mashup. You should see ShareStream Media listed right here. It looks like all of our ShareStream tools got turned on. Let's go ahead and return back to our course homepage, and in the next movie, we'll begin loading media using the ShareStream Pick and Play tool.